She's your queen to be, a queen to
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking freaky like you was gonna.
So you guys, in today's video, we're going to do an Allure beauty box unboxing. And today I have Miss Tinkerbink, hello, and Miss Brit Brat.
Man, look like she coughing.
What is all that?
Man, these sound effects.
Anyways, I didn't force them to be in my video. They decided they wanted to be in here, and now someone's acting a fool. James, do not play with me today. If you want to be in the video, you come sit in the video. Don't do all that interruptions. That's so rude.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Oh. Thanks for Daddy. Daddy's here.
Anyways, come on, open up the box here. I've already went through these boxes, so I know what's in there, so I can tell you guys what exactly is what, and if I tried it. So first we have the magazine that comes in there. It tells me everything that's in the box. Well, most of the things that's in the box. What are you gonna have me first, Sarah? I do want to say that when I get these boxes, I'm very disappointed when they send me these palettes. The palettes are very like bland colors, and I'm not saying that it's like a bad thing. I don't wear bland colors. I'm a colorful person. I like to wear colorful palette colors. So I really be like really upset with these palettes that are always bland and boring. It's boring to me because that's not what I wear. And the first thing she hands me is the palette. It is called the Everyday Vacay palette. Terry, you gotta open these things up sometime. And here's how the palette's looking. And this is the colors it has. I will put a picture of how it looks close up. You know how I do. This is how it's looking. It's very like bland colors. We got like some pink, two pink colors in here. I may use, maybe I'll use it, but not really. I'll probably give this away because I probably won't use it. No, you don't wear makeup. No, you cannot. Nope, nope. And this palette will cost you $30 for this. This is the regular size. Okay, next. They also sent us some lipstick, I believe, or chapstick. Let me see if I can find it. It is the Mammy Camby Beauty Lip Love Lip Scrub. Okay, so I did not try this one. I'm gonna tell you the truth. So it's still not even open, and it's like a white lip scrub. I be saying I need this, and I ain't even look at this to open it. Tell you ain't open this. No. Oh, look at I have nails. So I can't put this on for you now because I already have on my lipstick. So, but this is how it's looking. It looks like a lipstick. And I'm gonna say it looks very soft with a little scrub things in there. So it may be good. I'm gonna try it for a while and get back to you guys. It's the Lippy Love 2.0, the lip scrub. And this is gonna cost you about, let me see. This is going to cost you $19, and this is the full size of it. And yeah, if you get it, if you can, they have a promotion code also. I will put all these things in the description box if you want to try the lip scrub, or you want this palette from Everyday Vacay. What else you got? Next we have the Leaf. It is a hydrating aqua bomb hydrating body moisture, and this is not the full size. It's a sample size, and it will cost you $30 for the full size, which is a 10.13 ounce. This is just a 1.01 ounce. So I haven't tried this either. I totally forgot about it, but I will try it and get back to you guys. It's still closed. Yeah, I know I haven't tried it. Let me see. There's a white consistency. You can see it. And like I said, it will cost you $30. The little comments say it leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth all summer long. I have to say about that for sure. I'm gonna try this today. When I take a bath, I'm gonna put it on and see how does my skin feel. And I will, before I post this video, I will have that feedback for you guys. What's the next thing we have? Put this back in the box. Next we have the oh my god, I can't say it. I can't. Rain Drench Serum. Shut up, Brittany. And this will cost you, I believe this is the full bottle, and this is $24 for the 1 ounce. This is the full bottle. This is kind of cute. It's like see-through with a blue baby top, like a baby bottle. That's kind of cute. And it's a serum hydrant for nourishment and hydration. I haven't tried this either. I have so many other things I'm trying to try. I haven't even got to this. So it says after changing and tanning, after cleansing and drying, I guess. I can't really see what that means. Dispense 2 or 3 drops onto your palm, on your hand, and dab and massage in your face. Follow with moisture. Recommended for nighttime use. So I guess it's a good nighttime serum to put on your face. And again, it will cost you $24. And this is the full bottle. Okay, what else, Tara? This was I meant to try, and I did my makeup video recently, but I didn't. This is a Sephora Smooth and Blur Primer. This is very much not the real size, and the real size will cost you, let me see. Oh, okay, no, this is the 5 ml. This is the 5 ml sample bottle, and the real one is like 1.1 ounces. It will cost you $16, and I really want to try this for my face. I feel like I have to blur out some things. So the Smooth and Blur Primer diffuse your look of imperfections. So we're going to try this when I do my next video, and I will let y'all know how that goes, which will be no time soon. By the way, it is June 30th, 2022, and it is 3:20 p.m. Next. And then we got the Symbolic London Hydrating Acid and it's a tightening and replenishing eye mask. Oh, I need to try this too, because these eyes, maybe it'll help my bags. I don't know. But this one will cost you $93 for a 0.5 ounce. And this right here is a, you gotta be kidding me. No, this is not the full thing. This is the full. This is the 0.5 ounce of. Can you stop doing that? Of $93. So this better really work. I gotta take a picture of before and after, so we can tell y'all if this really works. A perfect eye treatment for both tightening and hydration. All right. Anything else? Alright, you guys, that is the end of this video, and I will get back to you guys with my when I try some of these, because I got so many other things to try. I haven't even begun to get to my box. Also, this is the June box of Allure. Can you call this stuff back? And this whole box is, I don't know if it tells you how much the whole box is. But I have to probably add it up and let y'all know. I'll let you know below in the on the screen. I will put the total price of the box of everything. $93 for a little bitty two. That's crazy. That's just what? Why? Anyway, so thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And give me your comments below. What box would you like me to do? If you've seen a subscription that you'd like me to try, put it down in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Say bye.
That hurt my legs.